Ladies and gentlemen, let me give you an update about what is going on with the December 2nd lawsuit, with the memorandum of the December 2nd putting a pause for the citizens of 39 countries. During the filing of our different lawsuits, we have 4 lawsuits right now pending against the USCIS with the federal court in Chicago. And we had filed 3 cases, individual cases, in New York, in Chicago, and in Seattle. Those 3 cases have been successful and they moved on. Some got their green card, one got an RFE, and the other one is getting an interview coming Monday actually. So they moved on. These 4 lawsuits, they are in front of 3 different judges. There were some questions. The government tried to move the case to one judge. We tried to keep it separately. So anyway, here we are. There are 4 different categories, one for naturalization, one mainly for work permits, one for people who have an I-130 or I-140 or 526 in front of the USCIS. The other one is for adjustment of status. So the one for the last one, which was the number 4 lawsuit, which is for naturalization people who have applied for citizenship, they have gone to the interview or they have not gone to the interview. The judge looked at it and said, you know what, Mr. Kameli, out of the 25 people, 3 I'm going to keep who are in Chicago, the other 22 I'm going to dismiss because of the fact that they are from other states. They should file a lawsuit in their states. We believe that with the respect I give to the judge in the case, I'm going to be filing a motion to reconsider, and I'm going to be asking her to reconsider her decision next week. But today we had a court hearing. We go to court. USCIS had filed a motion to dismiss based on the fact that on the 12th of June, the USCIS said, I'm going to adjudicate all the applications. Okay. Why? Because of the decision of June 5th in Rhode Island. Okay. So if that's the case, how come the applications are not moving forward? Then suddenly on June 19th, in the Rhode Island case, after the government filed an appeal with the higher court, came back and asked the district court that, hey, district court, the order that you give on June 5th, please stop it. State that order because I'm appealing. And then in a declaration on June 19th, the USCIS came back and said, and paragraph 8, 9, 10, and 11 are very important. Make sure you read this. You want it? You don't have it? Let me know. Send me an email, I send it to you guys. It said that we are trying to investigate, we're trying to come up with different policies, and in the next weeks or months, we're going to come up with more policies. Okay, so seriously guys, what is going on? And I told the judge that, I said, Judge, it's really interesting. Look at the roller coaster that we're dealing with. They're saying that there is no pause, every application gets adjudicated, then they run to the court and say, hey, that order that you gave me, that vacating the December 2nd memorandum, well, you know what, Judge, put a stay on it. Then they come in writing, they say, you know what, interesting. We're going to come up with different memorandum, different stuff, making it a little bit more difficult and try to see how we're going to deal with the citizens of these 39 countries. Okay. So what do we do now? What do we do now? They're saying weeks to months. So we know in the next few months, few weeks, there will be for sure some new cases coming, some new memorandum coming up. Fine. The new memorandum coming up. Okay, so what do we do now? What do we do now? What we do now is the fact that we file individual lawsuits. I will be more than happy to assist you to file the individual lawsuits. If financially you cannot afford it, to hire an attorney, either our firm or others, no problem. No problem. What you need to do is to do the lawsuit yourself. I will provide you a template. You file the lawsuit yourself. If your family members are in jail for habeas corpus, if they're in immigration court, file a habeas corpus. If they're in immigration jail, file a habeas corpus. If they have filed an asylum and withholding and they have a bracelet, they have an ankle monitor, file a habeas corpus. If your case has been pending in immigration and they have not adjudicated, file a writ of mandamus and fight it. You need to do that. You can do it individually without paying any kind of fee, without paying any money. Sometimes even the court fee can be waived. So please do it. Please do it. What else do you want? Seriously. You need to file this in your home federal courts, meaning that in your state there are federal courts, you need to file it there. And based on that, you can just go ahead and be in front of a judge and say, Judge, they need to file my application. They need to adjudicate my application. They need to make sure. You need to force them to take this ankle monitor out. Why? If you don't fight, believe me, this is going to get worse. This is going to get worse. Every other day, we're going to have a new thing coming up. So, please, let me take a step back. I encourage you to go ahead and try to file these individual lawsuits as we are fighting in the federal court in Chicago for the group lawsuits. Don't forget that. It is your responsibility to take care of your own case. It is your responsibility. The time is now. Don't come back and tell me 5 months from now, I wish I did that before. I could have filed it, I didn't. Now you have that chance. We give you a template. We give you a sample. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead. You should do it. Thank you.